Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw application from Accenture. Alright, let's begin. First things first is you visit the Accenture's official website. If your current application is still on pending or in review, you can still withdraw that application. Now once you're on Accenture.com's official site, make sure that you log into your account and then go to your applications field. Now, once you're on the applications field, all you have to do next is just to tap or click on the current jobs that you're trying to apply for. You will be able to see 3 dots beside your application and then just simply choose on Withdraw Application. After that, a prompt will appear to confirm your decision. Again, click on Withdraw, and if you go back to your application center, you will see your application has been cancelled. So that's basically how you can withdraw application from Accenture. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.